Hey, what's going on? So today is Thursday, and tomorrow I'm heading up to Flagstaff to go camping over the weekend. So before I go, I have this piece of wood right here that I already cut it. I want to bolt it down to the top of the roof rack so I can, if the weather's nice enough, I can lay up there. You know what I mean? So I'm just about to start sanding it right now. And I'm gonna stain it so it'll hold up a little better in the conditions. So yeah, let's get started on that.
How do I feel about being a member of the Information Society? That's a difficult question because I didn't know we were in the Information Society.
Okay, next is nuts and bolts. First, I gotta throw that up there so I can know where to throw the holes at. I'm on my way right now to the hardware store to grab some more bolts because the ones I had were just barely too short. So I'll pick up some new ones and call it good. And I'll get back to you guys when I have it completely done. There. So now that I can, nice enough weather, I can go camping and sleep right on top of here. I might bolt it down some more places. It's kind of a little loud, but for now, it's fly off, so that's good. Yeah, I might bolt it down. Maybe one in the middle, a couple on the sides, so it's a little bit more less noisy. But yeah, pretty easy. Just get the wood and some bolts. It'll be good to go. Well, that's probably going to be it for today. Tomorrow and the weekend I'm going to Flagstaff, so I'll record more of that. But for now, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to be recording tomorrow. I got to work a little bit tomorrow. Hopefully I'm going to try to talk my dad out of that. But yeah, so I will see you guys tomorrow.